Yes.
So some of the students are weak at dividing.
Today we're looking at 3-digit division by 1-digit division. Before we go too far though, we want to make sure that our math vocabulary is ready to go. First, we're going to look at this number inside of the division box. That, remember, is our dividend. It's the number that's larger, it's inside of our division box. And we know if that's our dividend, we know that this smaller number outside of the box is our divisor. So he's outside of the box, he's smaller than this number here, so that makes this our divisor. Now, with that out of the way, the very first thing that we want to do is we want to look at this divisor and the first number available to us in the dividend. Now, as you can see, this 4 right here is larger than this 3. So 4 doesn't go into 3 because he's too big. So in that case, we have to still stay with that 4, but now we're looking at this full number. We said that 4 can't go into 3, so we had to make it a little bit bigger so we could put 4 into a number, so we go to both of these place values. So now we're looking at 4 and 32. Using your math facts, we know that it's actually 8 4 times. That gives us 32. In that case, that would give us our product of 32, because we're saying that 4 8 times gives us 32. Number as the one above it. So what we want to do now is we want to subtract. We know both of these numbers will take each other out, giving us a 0 across the board here. Now, so we have the first part of our quotient up top here. Sitting all by himself, he's above the 2, not the 3, but the 2. And we have to decide what we're going to do next. This is the part that often confuses and challenges students as they're trying to think about what to do next. Now look at 9 here. He's all alone. We looked at 4 by 32, but that leaves this 9 all by himself. So we're going to bring our 9 down. So we draw an arrow and put a 9 right down with these zeros here. So now we have this spot down here with our 9. What we need to do now is this. We look at our divisor, and much like we did our divisor by 3 and it didn't work, and then we did it by 32 because we knew it could work, we take this 4 by the 9 here. How many times does 4 go into 9? Again, with your math facts, you know it's actually 2 times. That gets you pretty close. 2 times gives you an 8. That's saying that 4 2 times gives you an 8. Now, when we subtract 9 and 8, I'm going to have to draw the number 1 over here. I have 1 left over. That 1 sitting all alone, there's nothing else that this 4 or divisor can do. Not like 4 can go into 1. We know that's not the case because this 4 is too large. So in that case, just like we did the last couple of days with division.
Okay.